Welcome! If you ever picked up a brush and felt like you were just copying, not truly learning, you're not alone. Most watercolor tutorials today are paint-alongs. You follow step by step, and yes, at the end you have a painting. But the next day, you're back to square one. Because you didn't learn why it worked, you didn't learn how to see, you didn't learn how to decide. On this channel, that's exactly what we change. I don't teach you to copy, I teach you to understand watercolor. You learn how to simplify a scene, how to control water and pigment, how to mix color with intention, and most importantly, how to paint with confidence. Because your real progress doesn't come from repeating someone else's brushstrokes. It comes from making your own decisions, even your own mistakes. That's where the real learning happens. That's where your own style begins. If you want to move beyond copying and actually learn the craft of watercolor, subscribe to the channel and start painting for yourself. You won't regret it. I only teach you the techniques to move forward. Let me show you something. A good painting is not an accident. It's built on choices. Where do you simplify? What do you leave out? How much water? How much pigment? And when? These are the things most tutorials skip, but these are exactly the things that make the difference. Because once you understand this, you're no longer dependent on reference or on someone guiding your hand. You start to see differently, and when you see differently, you paint differently. So be sure to follow this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again.